want to talk to you about the recommended wheel setups that comes with the Marsblade frame. Standard wheel setup and the advanced training wheel setup. Thanks to the technology, both wheel setups will help improve your skating technique. But I want to let you know more about the difference between the two. The standard wheel setup comes with all the same size wheels, and it's meant to be the easier of the two setups. The advanced one is even more agile and gives you even quicker turns than the standard. But in turn, the standard setup gives you even higher top speed. This is the advanced training wheel setup. Comes with a smaller front wheel, and it's designed to be more challenging than the standard wheel setup to help activate your core muscles, your stability muscles even more. And it's also important to remember that it's supposed to be a bit harder than ice skating, so it's a bit of a learning curve.